Hello, everyone. Hi, everybody. Happy Monday. Come on in, come on in, come on in. Hi, everyone. Happy Monday. Let me make sure. I think it looks a little bit blurry on my end. Hopefully, it's not showing that way on your end. Come on in, everybody. I love dancing. I love dancing, especially my Afrobeats. Happy Monday, everybody. Come on in. Let's talk immigration. Let me turn this down a little bit. Hi, everyone. How's your Monday going? Hope you all had a good weekend. Short weekend. It's always very short, but hey, it's Monday. Make the best of it. Right. Hi, everybody. This is attorney Episola Only Samuel. I am an immigration attorney. I am located in Alabama, representing immigration clients in all 50 states. So if you have an immigration case, hi. If you have an immigration case, if it's a case type that my firm handles, they include VAWA, H-1B petitions, fiance visa, citizenship removal conditions in asylum and all that. If you have any immigration case, that case type, and you need our services, the number and email scrolling. Oh no, that's the wrong one. Hold on. So that's my email. Let me get you number. Yeah, there we go. Number and email across the screen, 334-341-4475. You can also send me an email directly, aos@olalawfirm.com, or visit our website. If you have, like I do tons of blog and the video blogs, and I have written forms of it, but there's more in the video than the written, the caption that goes with it. So, if you have just looking for before you decide or commit to a consultation or whatever the case may be, you can go to my website, olalawfirm.com, right there on the screen, and browse and go through the blogs and different topics from fiance visa to citizenship to VAWA to just name it. If you go under the immigration blogs, you would see the blogs on my website, which is olalawfirm.com. I hope you all are having a good start to the work week. It's Monday. Let's get on it. Funny thing is, and I was saying this earlier today, I'm not a morning person. I've never been a morning person. I remember growing up, my dad would say, Yoruba language, if you have below, can you come at you? Because we want peace in the house. Basically meaning just leave Abby to sleep. Like, don't wake up. We want peace in the home. But the funny thing is, even though I'm not a morning person, I'm the most productive in the morning. Because once I have lunch and that clock hits 12 noon, whatever happens. Like, listen, it's fair game. But anyway, once again, this is attorney Abisola Olay Samuel. I am an immigration attorney representing immigration clients in all 50 states. Doesn't matter what state you live in. If it's a case stop that I handle, if you pay for my services to attend interview, I'll be there. You don't worry about that. So today I wanted to come, and once you come on, please say hello. Let me know you're here. Tell me how your weekend went. And if you have any questions, and keep in mind, disclaimer, I cannot give advice. This doesn't form a client-attorney relationship. If you have any questions, however, that could be as general as possible, put them in the comment section and I'll do the best I can to respond. If you need something more specific, I can set up a consultation for you. Consultation fee is $125. If you retain my services, then you will get that credited towards the total fees, and we'll also discuss fees during the consultation. But today I wanted to come on and talk about one aspect of VAWA that a lot of people don't either want to talk about or don't even know that is an option, and that is VAWA green card for abused parents. So VAWA green card, self-petition for abused parents. So for those who don't know, probably living under a rock or something. But VAWA is a way for you as an abused person, meaning abused relative, spouse, child, parent, to file for your own green card because of that abuse at the hands of a citizen or green card holder, spouse, son or daughter, or parent. So it's a way, generally, if you want to get a green card based on an underlying petition, it's either going to be through marriage or through employment. In this case, this is one of those cases, VAWA is one of those cases where you can actually file your own petition for yourself based on this abuse. And so the underlying petition will be you filing and you also filing your green card application. If you're able to do that simultaneously or when your priority date becomes current, then you can do that. So one of the groups of people who can file for VAWA, meaning file for their own green card, are parents of U.S. citizens. Parents of U.S. citizens. Now, I'm Nigerian. You don't abuse your parent. Like, let me put it this way. And please don't quote me out of context now. But when I came to the United States, moved here, is when I knew anything existed like nursing homes. Because in my culture, you don't take your elderly to the nursing home. You take care of them in your home. You move them in, you whatever the case may be, but that's the culture. However, every country has their own. So, coming to a country where, there's senior citizen living in this, nursing home, whatever the case may be, that is befitting for that family member. But I say all that to say this. I'm from a place where you don't abuse parents. It's like a foreign thing. However, reality is that happens. It happens, it happens, it happens. And so what will be an example of, who qualifies as the parent of a son or daughter who's going to be able to file for their own green card? Now, most states have the age of majority, meaning once the child turns an adult legally as 18. That's fine. However, when it comes to USCIS cases, as far as immigration is concerned, a son or daughter does not become an adult in the legal in that sense of it until they turn the age of 21. When it comes to being able to petition on behalf of a parent, the son or daughter, and that's why immigration has child defined as a child, anyone under the age of 21. And 21 years or older, they define that as son or daughter. So if you have a son or daughter who is a U.S. citizen, so they have to be a U.S. citizen. A green card holder, son or daughter, cannot be someone who you can derive, your self-petition from. Unlike when it's the case of spouses or children, when it comes to parents, abused parents can only be the parent of a U.S. citizen. If you're abused by a son or daughter who is a green card holder, then that doesn't qualify you for VAWA. So, abused parent of a U.S. citizen, meaning someone who is 21 years or older and has been abused by that son or daughter. Examples of what will fall under, obviously, physical abuse is, cutthroat, cut dry kind of proof. However, majority of cases, like I always say, do not have physical abuse proof or physical abuse evidence. So in a situation for a parent, for instance, if you have a child, a son or daughter, 21 years or older, who demands that you do stuff. For example, if they know they're a citizen, right? They want to file your immigration papers for you, but they use that as more or less like a negotiating, blackmailing tool to get you to do what they want you to do. If you don't watch my kids, I'm going to pull the immigration papers that I filed. If you don't give me money, then I'm just not going to file your paperwork for you. If you don't put me on the deed of the house, then, I'm just going to turn you into immigration. Things like that happen. Unfortunately, there are parents who actually go through that at the hands of their sons or daughters. And those are examples that may make you eligible for VAWA self-petition as the abused parent. So those are just a few examples. Now, other requirements will be, so the son or daughter has to be 21 years or older and they are a U.S. citizen. Or that son or daughter lost their citizenship or renounced their citizenship because of an incident of domestic violence, or the son or daughter has passed away, right? But they passed away within the 2 years before you file your VAWA petition. So those are three different groups that can qualify as far as using your U.S. citizen son or daughter to qualify for your VAWA as an abused parent. I've given examples of what will fall under extreme cruelty. That's not obviously the end of the list. Like each person's case is very fact specific. So mentioning examples doesn't mean that what's going on in your life as a parent of a U.S. citizen son or daughter would not qualify you. So that's why it's always best to consult with an immigration attorney, see whether your case or what you're dealing with, emotional abuse, qualifies for VAWA. So you don't need to have physical abuse proof. And then another thing is you must, as an abused parent, be able to show that you have resided, meaning you lived in the same residence with that abusive son or daughter for a while. It doesn't have to be, you don't have to continue living with them. You must have lived with them at some point, meaning you shared residence with them, right? And that you are a person of good moral character, right? Person of good moral character. You can have proof for everything else, but immigration wants to see that you are someone who is admissible as a permanent legal resident of the United States because of your character, and there's nothing in your history that's going to prevent you from being found to be someone who is of good moral character. So let's see. So talk about suffered abuse, lived with them, you are a person of good moral character. So and I know there's a lot of stigma, especially because we're talking of immigrants. So if you are someone, for instance, you had your child here like 21 years ago, and now you're thinking, okay, that child will repay you and file your immigration papers for you. But now it turns out that even if they're not physically abusing you, they have used that citizenship as a tool to get whatever they want from you, blackmailing, threatening that you're going to be deported as a parent. And these things happen. Okay, these things happen. And unfortunately, that's reality. But if you are an abused parent of a son or daughter, meaning a child that you have who is at least 21 years or older, and they're a citizen, if the child is a son or daughter is a green card holder, you won't qualify as an abused parent. So if you have a son or daughter 21 years or older and you have suffered abuse, or even if you're not sure that what you're going through is abuse, hello, Miss Alquemi, how are you? Then the best thing for you to do is to consult with an immigration attorney, figure out whether your specific facts will make you eligible and be able to prove what we call extreme cruelty, which really you need credible evidence to be able to show that you did in fact suffer abuse. So in a nutshell, that is VAWA green card for abused parents and the requirements or the elements that you have to show. If you feel you qualify for that, once again, my number is scrolling across the screen, email address, so you can contact me. And then please share this video. I would really, really appreciate it. We are on Instagram and obviously YouTube. I'm simultaneously broadcasting to YouTube right now, Facebook and TikTok. Yeah, I have this video on TikTok that I did with my fiance for fiance visa. You need to check it out. Yeah, it's pretty cool. But anyway, thanks to everyone who jumped on. Good evening. How you doing? Thanks to everyone who jumped on. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week. Stay positive. Hope against hope. Believe in victory. Believe that you have seen victory before you see it. And there's no record of failure with God. Remember that. But thank you, everyone. I appreciate it. Until next time, Facebook and YouTube. Oh, by the way, let's see. So if you want to browse my website, that's the website on the screen, LALawfirm.com. Number is 334-341-4475. AOS at LALawfirm.com. So contact us. We can help you. There's nothing that gives me, well, few things. But no greater joy than being able to tell someone you can, breathe and you're going to leave here permanently without worrying about being deported or removed from the country. All right, everyone. Thank you very much. And until next time, bye-bye.